Magnets, they're amazing and incredibly useful. In a small shop, they're indispensable for keeping things organized. This level has a built-in magnet, and I often use it to keep it stored. This is my controller for my shop vac. It's just an outlet controller remote, you can hear it. I keep it outside, and I use this remote when I have it hooked up to my tools. I attached one of these magnets to it, and I can put it on the side of my table saw, my drill press, my bandsaw, whatever I'm using this on. I was always losing my remote to my camera. I have one of those little Bluetooth remotes. For the longest time, I just kept misplacing this thing. Finally, I stuck a magnet on this too, and I haven't lost it since. Ceramic or ferrite magnets, they're basically an iron oxide compound that are used as magnets. These are the ones that you most often see, and they're nice and they do the job. They're not terribly strong, but the bigger they are, the stronger they are. The thing is, sometimes you need small magnets. That's where these neodymium magnets come in. You've probably seen these. These are those super strong magnets. This one has a piece of plastic sandwiched between it because they're just so hard to get apart. The difference is these are principally iron-based, iron oxide based, and these are neodymium based. On the periodic table, iron's up here at 26, and neodymium is one of the lanthanoids down here at 60. It's a rare earth element. These things are super strong, so you can have a much smaller magnet. Soft jaws for my drill press vise. Jim Barbwe, 1985. Thanks for commenting, Jim. He said, why not flush fit some magnets into the plastic so the soft jaws are easily removable? Having them easily removable so I can continue to use the metal jaws on my vise, but then put in the plastic soft jaws whenever I need to have something held more softly is a great idea. So I did just that. And here's the result of those. I use some more high density polyethylene. It's basically the same stuff. I just had this black, so I went with black. And I embedded some of these neodymium magnets in it. I also machined a ridge. And the reason I wanted to do that is so on my vise, here's with the metal jaw reinstalled, and here is it still without. You can use it either way. And that ridge puts it right there on top. Here it is in the other one. And I machined these so they fit either way on there. But those are fantastic. They're far more useful. I can easily just take them right off, and I have my metal jaws here, or I can put them right back on and use them for anything I need. It was a great idea. Again, thanks Jim for bringing it up. I'm glad I did that. I filmed all this, and I'll probably make a short out of it and share that via YouTube as well. It was a fun little project I did this morning, and it reminds me again of the wonderful utility of magnets. There's so many applications. Keep them away from your hard drives and other things that it could adversely affect, but otherwise, put a magnet on it.